Anxiety, which often is associated with insomnia and feeling of fear, is primarily due to aggravation of Vata dosha in the nervous system. So, to heal anxiety, we have to balance Vata. Here are several effective Ayurvedic remedies to pacify Vata, heal anxiety and fear, and improve your sleep. Make a tea of the following herbs. Take 1 part tagar or valerian, 1 part mushta. Steep half teaspoon of these herbs in 1 cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and drink. This formula effectively pacifies Vata and reduces anxiety. You can drink this tea twice a day. A warm bath of ginger and baking soda will help you pacify anxiety. Use 1/3 cup ginger and 1/3 cup baking soda into a tub full of water. Soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Almond milk helps to eliminate anxiety. Soak about 10 raw almonds overnight in water. Peel off the skin and put the almond in the blender. Add 1 cup warm milk. While blending, add a pinch of ginger and a small pinch of nutmeg and saffron. For anxiety accompanied by a fast heart rate, a cup of orange juice with 1 teaspoon of honey and a pinch of nutmeg powder can be effective. Make a fist with your left hand so that the fingers rest in the middle of the palm. Locate the point where the middle finger ends, in the heart of the palm. Then with the thumb of your right hand, press firmly on this point in the center of your left hand. Press for 1 minute. This will calm down the agitation of prana, which causes anxiety. Lie down on your back in the yoga posture known as Swasana, the course or the relaxation pose, arms by your sides. Sitting quietly, focus your attention on the top of your head while doing the Soham meditation. Giving yourself a full body oil massage will greatly help to reduce anxiety. Vatas should use sesame oil, Pittas sunflower or coconut oil, Kaphas corn oil. Use 6 or 7 ounces of warmed up oil and rub it over your whole body from head to toes. Normally, this massage is done before the morning bath, but if you have high anxiety or insomnia, you can also do this before going to bed. A mini massage is also effective. Using the appropriate oil for your constitution, rub some on your scalp and spend a few minutes rubbing the bottom of your feet. Everyone experiences worry and anxiety from time to time. But if severe anxiety continues for a long time or becomes overwhelming and interferes with your social or occupational functioning, medical attention is required. Here are 3 reasons to see a doctor. You chronically experience symptoms such as shortness of breath, chest pressure or pain, and dizziness, along with extreme worry and tension. You have panic attacks, short unexplained period of intense fear. You avoid people, places, or situations in order to avoid feeling anxious.